Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a little skincare routine with the Medicube hot and cold dual facial device or facial massager. This is from a company called FLEURWEE. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to try out this device, and I was more than happy to do so. I absolutely love my skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare, and yeah, I thought it looked really good. So what I thought I'd do today is, while I'm testing out the massager, I'm going to actually incorporate a few of my current favourite skincare products in there as well, because there is a range I am obsessed with, and honestly, I genuinely mean it. I have noticed a huge difference in my skin since using these products. I kid you not, and I am being absolutely genuine, as I always am, but these products are amazing. So the products that I'm going to be using in today's video are all Korean beauty. As you know, I absolutely love K-beauty, if you've seen my videos before, of course. And yeah, the first product that I have already used actually is the cleansing balm. This is the Centella cleansing balm from Erborian. Now, Erborian is a company that is Korean beauty. However, they are actually part of the L'Occitane group. So yeah, it's kind of like the K-beauty part of the L'Occitane group. So yeah, really established brand, really beautiful products. So I've already used this, so I've just gone on and, you know, cleansed as you do. And the other products that I'm going to be using today are from Medicube. Now, I did recently do a sponsored video with them for the EMS device. I've got a couple of new devices coming up as well from them, which yeah, are really good as well, so keep an eye out for those. But these weren't sent to me to do a video on. They didn't ask me to do a video, they just sent them in PR, and I wanted to do this off my own back because I am so impressed with them. Okay, so as I say, I'm going to be using the hot and cold dual facial massager today from FLEURWEE. This is the box that it comes in. It's lovely packaging, very nice. And then we open it up, and inside we have the device, which has actually got like a protective cover over it as well, which is really cool. And then there's also the charger in there as well, which I will show you this because I was like, where is the charging port on the device? And there is actually a hidden little hole. It says DC and there's a hidden little hole, and you just plug it into there. So I think it's because it makes it more waterproof, I'm assuming. So it's kind of covered, but yeah, that's where your port is. So this is the device itself. So it's quite weighty, really nice. And then it's got this kind of silicone coating over it. I love the feel of this stuff. Yeah, I'm sure it's a sensory thing, but yeah, I really like how it feels. And then on the device itself, we have, on this rose gold part here, we actually have the massager with a blue and a red light. And then the two buttons are down the bottom. It's very simple to use. You just a long hold on the top button to turn it on, and then we just give a quick push to switch between blue and red, and that's it. And the light at the bottom turns it from red to blue as well, and then a long press to turn it off too. So yeah, really easy to use, very simple. Yeah, as I say, it's quite weighty, which is a good thing because it means it's good quality in my eyes. And yeah, I really like the look of this. Not used it yet, so this will be complete first impressions, but it does look like it might work quite well. As I say, we do have a blue and a red light on here as well. Blue light's really good for killing any bacteria or anything on the surface of your skin. So, you know, if you suffer with acne or anything like that, it's really good for that. And red light is really good for fine lines and wrinkles because it stimulates collagen back to the surface of the skin. Okay, so what I thought I would use the device with today is a face mask underneath, which, you know, I have got a Foreo UFO device, which kind of works in a similar way, but it is obviously a lot more pricey. This is a lot more affordable for you. So, you know, if you don't want to splash out on a Foreo device, this might be, you know, a cheaper alternative for you. So I'm going to use this face mask. So this is the Erborian Bamboo Shot Mask. And this has a fresh plumping effect. Sounds lovely. So I'm going to pop this on there. I'm going to pop this on first. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. Okay, so that's that on. So I'm going to go ahead and use the device now. So I'm going to switch it on. As I say, it's a long press to turn it on. And then I'm going to start off with the red light, which is the heat. We'll put the light on there as well. Just going to wait for it just to heat up a bit. It doesn't take long. I have just turned it on, obviously, to make sure it works. So it's starting to heat up already. Okay, right. And then I'm literally just going to massage in circles over my face, but kind of going in anti-clockwise circles. So I'm going like away. So away, not in, if you know what I mean. Start off with my cheeks. Oh. It does get actually quite hot, not like it's going to burn you or anything like that. It's a nice hot, but it does get hotter, I'd say, than my UFO does. But it feels so good. Beautiful. It feels so nice. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel amazing. And obviously the heat is going to open up your pores as well, which is going to allow the skincare to soak deeper into your pores too. Really nice. Right, so I went on for about 2 minutes, I'd say, with the hot side. So I'm going to flick over to the cold now and do that for another 2. So as I say, just press one press and change it to the blue light as well. It will still feel a little bit hot, obviously, to start off with. There we go. Now it's getting really cold. Oh, that is nice. It's quick, you know, how it heats up and then cools down. It works really quick. There's not much waiting around with it. Okay, lovely. Again, feels really nice. The cold actually feels so good. I bet that would be really nice in the summer to use, you know, like on a nighttime routine at the end of the day. Oh, that'd be beautiful. What I'm going to do now is obviously just turn it off. So just a long hold in and it will turn it off. And then obviously we can stick that on charge for next time. So the mask I want to leave on for a bit longer because I want to get obviously my full benefit out of it. So I'm just going to leave this on for another 5 minutes. So that'll be around 10 minutes then, and let it do its thing. And then I'll come back and we'll move on to the next skincare products. Right, okay, so the mask's been on for about 10 minutes now. So we're just going to remove that. Oh, glowy. And just massage in the excess serum that's left on my skin. Yeah, it feels lovely, my skin, after that. It definitely feels like it's plumper. Really nice. Yeah, beautiful mask. Right, so the next product I'm going to use is the Medicube C 13.5% Deep Vita C Ampuole. This stuff is so good, honestly. So it comes in like this box here, and there's actually 3 ampules in there, and then you get the the pipette in there as well. So obviously you can use the pipette in the different bottles as well, which is great. Obviously less packaging, less waste. So yeah, like that. So you've got your 3 ampules here, and then you've got your pipette in there as well. And they are actually best if you keep them in your fridge, because obviously the cold is going to be really nice. It's going to stimulate your skin and everything. So yeah, really, really beautiful, beautiful product this is. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks, I'd say, and I have noticed a difference already. So all I'm going to do is squish, get some in my pipette, and then just pop some on my hand. Not too much. That's plenty. And then just very quickly kind of put it on the areas that I want and just massage it in as you normally would. It smells really nice as well. These products have got a bit of a, I'd say, a bit of kind of like a citrusy smell, which they do actually contain vitamin C. So, you know, vitamin C, you kind of think of citrus fruits and things, don't you? Always afterwards, make sure you pat the rest into your skin, so it's not just sitting there on the surface. Fantastic. I absolutely love how that makes my skin feel straight after. Yeah, really, really nice. I don't know if you can see. I'll try and come and do a close-up for you. Yeah, this is what it makes my skin look like straight after using it. I think it's an absolutely stunning, stunning product. Really, really nice. Okay, and then after using that, I will go on with the Collagen Multi Balm. So this, sorry, Collagen Vita Multi Balm. This has got 15% Collagen Vita for plumping. Really, really beautiful product again. And I've been using this again for about 2 weeks and have noticed such a difference. So with this, you just twist it up and then you have your product in the top. I try and twist it up all the way. As I said, I've been using it for 2 weeks now and I've still got all of that product left. So it's going to last you a good while. And anywhere, you can actually use this in the morning, you know, if you want that kind of dewy skin look as well. But I'm going to use it just to kind of target my fine lines and wrinkles. So obviously I have my marionette lines just down here. So I'm just going to go over those with it. Like that. And then I use it kind of just on my top of my lip just here. Because I do have some kind of little emotion lines, shall we say. And then I put it just on the outer corners where my crow's feet are as well, with my eyes. I do also put some on my cheeks here, pretty much all over my face really. On my glabella lines I put some, and my forehead. So yeah, if you can see, it kind of does give that kind of glowy look. So if you're someone that doesn't want to wear like a load of makeup, which I sometimes don't, to be honest, or most of the time I don't. I only really wear makeup for filming. But yeah, then it gives you that kind of really nice, almost natural highlight look as well. So then I'm just going to pat it in and just kind of massage it as you would. To the fine lines and wrinkles. Like that, and just leave it to do its thing. And then very lastly, this is another Medicube product. This is from the Zero Pore range. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You can't use, I think the cream's okay, well I've been using it anyway, but you can't really use the Zero Pore pads. They're like a double-sided pad. You can't use those alongside these products. Well, it's recommended not to use them. There must be some kind of chemical reaction that happens when you use them both together, but it's recommended not to use those together. This is fine, but the pads you can't. So this is the Zero Pore Cream 2.0, and it is so good. It's so thick. Look, it's a really thick product, which I love. I love a rich moisturizer, and you go in and it's almost like it doesn't move. So again, you don't need a ton of product. So all I've got is that much, and I'm just gonna pop it again on my usual areas. Probably haven't taken quite enough because I need to get down my neck as well. There we go. And again, just massage it in as normal. Yeah, so there we go, skincare complete. So here's a close-up of how my skin is looking straight after doing all my skincare and using obviously the hot and cold facial device. It feels so nice, I have to say, and yeah, I do think that's a lovely device. I would say it kind of works, you know, as good as the UFO. I mean, it doesn't have the program settings on it that the UFO does. And obviously, as you could see when I was using it with my actual face mask itself, the mask does move. I do actually use my UFO with a normal face mask as well. So, you know, you can do that with both. But as I say, for the price of this product compared to the UFO, it is a fraction of the price. So if you are looking for a cheaper alternative to that, then I would say that this is the product for you. So I will leave any links to the products that I've used in today's video in the description box below, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.